Hi, kindergarten friends. So if you're watching this video right now, I'm hoping that means you already wrote your own how-to book. And I'm here so I can read you my finished how-to book. Well, it's almost finished, not totally, because I need to go back and edit still. But I'm going to read you my book. So remember, last video, I made sure that I did these steps. 1, tells what to do in detailed steps. 2, numbers the steps. 3, has a picture for each step. 4, has labels that teach. So I worked on my book during Writer's Workshop while you were writing your book, and this is my book. How to Make a Bowl of Clay Pot by Miss Sanborn. 1. Push all air bubbles out of clay. I made this bold because I thought air bubbles is really important to know. This is table, push clay, tip. Do this for at least 5 minutes. 2. Put clay ball on wheel and push it up and down. This is stool, clay, wheel. 3. Put thumb into clay and shape into bowl. Tip. Use water if clay gets dry. Pull thumb. Clay goes out. 4. Pull sides of clay up. Says pull clays up with an arrow. Standing up can help. 5. Take clay off wheel with a string. String. Pull string carefully. And 6. Let it dry and then paint it. Let art teacher bake it. Oven, pot, paintbrush. And then on the very last page I have some things you will need. It says you will need clay, pottery wheel, water, string, paint, oven, and persistence power. And that is my how-to book. I'm really hoping that you will write your how-to books, and I'm hoping you already wrote at least one. I'm hoping this whole week you'll keep writing how-to books. Even on days when I don't have a video for you, I'm hoping you're still going to do Writer's Workshop and Reader's Workshop on your own, and that you'll write me books. If you write some how-to books, please email me them or post them on Seesaw, because I would love to watch you reading your how-to book to me. I would love it. And if you do, I will send you a little message back telling you what I thought and stuff like that. So keep working hard and using your persistence power and writing.